Okay, 8th graders, this lesson is Chapter 7.1b, Ordering in Scientific Notation. We can actually take numbers written in scientific notation and order them from either least to greatest or greatest to least. The first thing you need to do is look at the exponents. The larger the exponent, the larger the number. Now if you stop to think about it, that means it will have another 0 to the right, or it's going to be 10 times greater or 100 times greater or 1,000 times greater. If you have a 10 to the second, that is larger than 10 to the first. If you have a 10 to the 15th, that is larger than a 10 to the 12th. Sometimes, however, the exponents may be the same. So if the exponents are the same, then you have to compare the first factors. The larger the factor, the larger the number. Let's look at example A. First of all, take a good look at the numbers. 5.79 times 10 to the 7th, 1.496 times 10 to the 8th, 1.427 times 10 to the 9th power, and 2.279 times 10 to the 8th. You should notice right away that you have one number there with a power of 7 and one with a power of 9. That is going to be your least number and your greatest number. So let's first of all write down the 5.79 times 10 to the 7th. The second number, 1.496 times 10 to the 8th, and 2.279 times 10 to the 8th, which is the fourth number, have the exact same power of 10. The exact same exponent. In this situation, we now need to look at the first factor, the 1.496 and the 2.279. Since 1.496 is less than 2.279, we will write that as our second number in our solution. And then we will write 2.279 times 10 to the 8th, and our last one is going to be our largest exponent of 1.427 times 10 to the 9th. At this point, please hit pause and do example B. And here's the solution for sample B, example B. Yes, you have two numbers which have exponents of 10. The 5.6 times 10 to the 10th is less than 6.2 times 10 to the 10th, since 5.6 is less than 6.2. Then would come the 9.2 times 10 to the 15th, and 5.6 times 10 to the 21st power. That concludes today's lesson on ordering numbers using scientific notation. Please reply with the code word strawberries.